So welcome back for this last video in this course. It's about how you can verify your token you have getting after you're logged in as a user. First we need to change in our server for the Python script. Go in for your server and then we can need starting. We will create a new class. I will create it below here and we can call it the verify token. And this is a post 2 and we want to the request and the response, and data should be the request media, and when you have it here you need to say if authentication is in data and data authentication is not none, then we will try to get a token here. I want to decode the JWT token, JSON web token, and I wanted to say the data should be authentication, and then I know this should be JWT token, sorry, and then the configuration for this should be the setting, and what we call it here, JWT token. Should be fine here, and the algorithm should be like the other one. Oh no, it's a spelling. I want to decode this, so this is perfect. Configuration should be where I'll take this line, that's what we need. And then we will say try this and accept the JWT decode error, and token is equal to none. So something happened here if we don't have the right token. And of course we need some stuff here, the response status, and should be Falcon unauthorized. This meaning you're not logged in. Sorry for my bad English. I hope you understand me. And then we will ask about token is true, this meaning it exists, else we will go inside to get this out, so we not send every data. And then we making a connection for the Mongo. I'll go up here in the database, and what we want to do is the database here. And we want to make a row is equal to con, and should be users find one, and we need to find one with the right ID. Should be object ID. I will show you this later, how we can fix this. Basically I will do it already now, so we can get this issue away. And it's up around here, I will put it up, so I will put a from basin object ID, import object ID, and then we are good to go down here, no error. And then I want to be sure the token is equal to the token down here. And if we get some stuff here, if row is not none, then you're logged in, else it's not, and then you should delete something here. And what we want here is just the response. My response, okay. and we don't want to respond to everything, so we're going back for our server app here, and we copy this one, and I will call it the verified token. Verified token, and I'll put it inside here. Verified token, and just for us it's fine, and then I will put this in user verified token, and I'll save this one. If I restart our application here, everything should be fine, and if I reload it here, it should be fine. And the next step will be going inside to our middleware over here, and here we will create the verify about the token. So let's continue down here and create what we want. I want to say xs host is equal to process env view API dual. I think that's what we used before. Let's check. Yes, I just copied this just to be sure, and then I put this on, and I'll say verified UL verified token. It's coming here. Verified token, yes, and then we put it up here. And what we need to send in, here's the data we want to send, and I want to say authentication and verified token. That's what I want to send inside, and we need to import this, and we are ready for this one, and then everything is fine. And that's what we want to do right now. And we want to see about it's working. You say the token is failure right now because we don't have any access level now. So let's go back for this one to our server. Something is wrong here, so basically now I just want to print it out so I can see what happened. What is the data we get? And rerun it, and whoops, that's the Mongo database. We don't like that anymore. We get just the token true, and that's not what I want. I want to get a cookie, and that's not so good because the verified token here is not correct. So let's get the cookie down here. I don't hope that's the only thing in my cookie. Ah, we get it here. Sorry. Let's try again just to be sure. Yes, I get the name and the token here, and if we can decrypt a token, I'll put it inside here. Restart the application, and I will go in, and we can't. So something between the authentication and that's coming down. Okay, we take the binary out and say that's probably the issue here, and of course token should be again, and we run it, and I still don't get anything. Let's see what we have doing wrong here, and I'll expect it and fix the error and explain. I have researched a little bit from my previous code, and the issue is coming up from the token we create here. The token should be encoded and then should be decode from ASCII. And when we do this and we logged in, it should be enabled to right away run this way. Let's try it again and run it. It's saying everything is not correct. That's fine. Let's sign out and log in again. And then I will see about this working. And yes, now my token is correct, so that's fine. I just need to see something else I forgot before we finish this. I don't think so. So let's continue. Rerun this so we don't have data. And reload. Yes, that's correct. And the small stuff we need now is just to say if you're logged in correct now. If you get succeeds, we want to go for this. And if you're not, we want to sign out. And that should be that. And of course we have this one, sign out, and that's it. We should hear if I go in. It's because it's always say that. It's trying to say you're not logged in, and then it's say okay, you're logged in, so that's fine. I will go down here to a dialog and say remember login, false, no. Authentication. I will say to a store, sorry. I'll say logged in, just say yes. And if you're not logged in, it will come up with the pop-up like this. So now it will come up with the pop-up, and if I'm logged in, it should not be there. So yes, that's true. And if I'm going inside and playing a little bit with the token, just replace P with a small m, and if I'm doing this and reload, it's yes, and then we are logged out. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video where you play around with different technologies and different language. I hope you get inspired by how I'm working, and I hope you want to subscribe my channel. I hope you want to get more tech videos, of course. If you have any questions, please make them below. I'll try to answer them fast as possible. And of course, share it with your friends, give it a like, and add it for your playlist. This is how we build a login on Eletron. So you have a desktop application on the cross platforms based on Python server, and then the Node code language with the Vue and Vuetify as a UI. Thank you so much to learning with me, and I will be excited to show you more about my work and how it's working. Thank you so much, and see you next time.